Slick with it Productions, baby.
Yo, dog. You know, so Jamaica come from, dog. Dog, it's them girl, dog. Dog, never want them for them girl when they find in Jamaica, dog. God no, never want them to them. Make a year old girl, is it? Them girl, you're wicked and wicked and wicked and wicked and lie. She will fuck you, then go fuck her next guy. Then come back and tell her she love you till the day she die. She will see you with her next girl, then get vexed. But every night she have a different man, she a sex. But right now you better know what is coming next. Yo, every night she panty, I fly just like a bird. And a different man I do it. Right now, dog, you have to screw it. Because you should have blood clot knew it. Then girl, yeah, them wicked and blood clot lie. Then waste about your blood clot eye. And then tell she love it till the day she die. When she free, if I know she all go cry. I say she never mean to do it. Yo, dog, them girl, them a bitch. They just want get rich. Half a nigga and then she go switch. Dog, you shoulda know what go happen. Dog, I am not clapping. These bitches, they be trapping. Damn, they be traveling. You shoulda know. You shoulda know. You shoulda know. Say them girl them wicked and wicked and lie. Then we fuck you, then go fuck her next guy. Then she come back and tell us that she love you till the day she die. Yo, then wicked and lie. She a fuck 10 man, but you want go fuck she alone? You must be a fool, I call up her phone. Right now you better leave her alone. Cause she's a dog and she's getting a bone. Yo, me fly down on them boy, a girl just like a drone. Give them a lick like a big stone. Because me is a king from my throne. And me work for me motherfucking own. So no bitch can't think she can run in my life and steal my door. I am not a fucking fool, I got the fucking jewels. If a nigga this I pull up with the fucking tools, hey. But them girl that them wicked and lie. Then we fuck you, then go fuck on this guy. Take your thing, go mind another fucking man. Then she come back and say she abandoned by everybody in her life. And because she never want be a wife, she stab everybody in the back with a fucking knife. God them girl them just wicked and lie. She will fuck you, then go fuck on this guy. Then girl them eye them dry.